Kaya ito yung bahay. Ayun.
Oh, look at that.
You can put it outside.
Meron bang ano? Where's the... What is this little guy? Hi! What is...
Oh! They're here! They're here! Hello! Welcome to my crib! Old beer. Do what?
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. This is...
I don't think there's a voice for this.
Oh, yeah.
Audio. There's no audio, I think. I'm not sure though.
But just in case, you know, 2026,
2026.
Micah's
Babin,
birthday.
beach house this year.
2026.
2026. To start the year. To start the year. Yeah, Destiny's birthday too.
Happy birthday!
What is it? After Christmas, right? Yeah.
Did you hear earlier? Remember Micah's neighbor before? What's his name again? Denzel.
Yeah.
Guys,
Oh, look at this.
where are the best places to break up?
Anywhere. Does it matter where?
I know, right?
Where's that?
It's a mini camera.
Huh?
Camera or video?
It's a video.
I don't know. Is it while having sex?
I know, right?
I don't know. I don't know how to answer that.
You shake it first. You gotta pass it. Pass it around.
Yeah, no, because when we...
Oh, you gotta pass it now.
Pass it.
That's when I came over.
It's your turn.
Who done it?
We're trying to get rid of the water. Hold on, let's do it. We're trying to shake the water.
That's why I was like, nah, man.
Oh, you can pass it now. That's it.
I'm ready. I'm working out.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, may tubig pa siya. There's a, oh, you drained it? No, the peach. Oh, okay. So cute. It's like, it's my home.
He's still recording. Yeah.
But yes, you feel like you have. And you're getting like.
Show it how it's done. You're gonna break it.
My cheek is shaking.
I'll show you.
I think it's good now. Is it still recording? As long as the blue light is on.
Welcome to the...
Birria time.
What time are you guys gonna go fishing?
I didn't bring my...
Oh, you didn't bring it?
I didn't bring any.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers again, cheers.
Cheers,
Hell.
Yeah, more than enough actually.
Cheers!
You're not drinking? Where's your shot?
You're not taking a shot?
No, not today. Shot.
Help yourself.
But me and Loy, I was telling Loy like because of all the price.
Hindi pa natin alam kung hindi pa natin napipili.
No. No, you cannot.
What I can do for you, sir, though.
Here we go.
I just feel like I can fly, I can reach the heavens. No, it's a song.
Is it?
It is a song, right, Mom?
Yeah. By Mandy Moore.
No, what the fuck? Regine Velasquez?
He has a voice.
Look at Jazzy though. Jazzy's flying.
Yeah, Jazzy, okay?
Okay, I need water.
I don't hear her no more. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh, can someone drop me to the...
See?
Oh, how do you say so?
It's very different in ours.
She sold this together.
I was just about to say, like, yo,
I just realized.
this is like real Thai, and then this is America, and then.
So, this is so.
She stitched this together herself.
Alright.
And then I need my Loy's mom to fix this so like.
I don't trust you anymore.
Okay, try to fix it. Oh, by the way, I have a lot of this at home, so don't be afraid.
So this is the real
Girl, I
one.
ain't touching that.
This is the real one.
I don't trust my taste buds.
This is
right now.
American.
No, I'm telling you.
I don't trust my taste buds right now.
Here, we'll open this one. This one is weak. This is like.
Alright, let's test it. Let's test it.
This is mild.
Let me see your mind. I need water. I need to smell water. I see it.
There's no redness.
But it's orange. That means it's spicy.
Do it.
That means it's spicy.
Do it. Do it.
Do it. Wait, let me get like a
Come on, get the little.
Oh, okay.
I'll do one with you.
You're gonna stare at me and you're like, oh, it's not good.
See? Nothing.
I promise you. This is the American spicy. Now try this one.
So this one's regular or
No, look at that. You got the oil.
no?
But even this is not spicy to me.
No, this
I like
one's
this.
Okay, this is not even spicy.
This one's good. This one's
Yeah.
good.
This is spicy.
Okay.
That
Oh my God,
is
pray
spicy.
me.
I don't think it's spicy. Real talk.
Okay, pray for my booty hole, guys.
I'll wait for you. Cause that one has a little kick.
Can you go half? Can you go half?
No,
Half on this way.
it's already like has a little kick. Okay.
I don't think it's spicy at all. But people say it's super.
Happy with Joe.
Oh, actually, no. This is I do like sour cream.
No.
I do.
Half of that.
This
Like
is habanero.
this. You want half? A little bit?
No.
Like.
I'll try it. Toast.
Ano ba?
No, I mean, I really can feel it, but it's not like spicy.
It's just the same thing. No, not yet.
yet.
Hold on. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. I need more beer. Hold on. No.
Look at, so do you see the?
It's
No.
sweet though.
No,
No,
I
dude,
kind
that
of
part.
like this one. I kind of like this one. I kind of like this one.
Maybe not doing the.
No, no, I like this one
Don't
though.
shoot your, don't
Oh,
touch your
Stop rubbing your
eyes.
eyes.
You want-
oh, hold on.
Oil part.
If
That hard?
if you're drinking, this one's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
kinda
you know,
fucking- It'll wake you up.
Yeah.
No, you just flip it like that.
Yeah.
Which one's different, bro?
Oh.
This one's different.
Joe, jump on it. Jump on it.
Check out that video. We have an hour. Yeah. How many? How far is it over here? What is the
Rooftop bar.
Is it the one that we went to? Free e-bike. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Ella's really tired. Look at her. Joe, you're not doing it. My knee's popping right now. There's another one. There you go. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
I know.